Housed in the first North American location of legendary French retailer Printemps, the stunning Maison Passerelle represents the blending of haute cuisine and flavors of Haiti and the African diaspora. So we got Haiti meets Paris. What's going on here?
That's a good way to say it. The concept throughout all our food and beverage spaces is France, but through the lens of unsung French countries.
Yeah.
Talking about North Africa, West Africa, the Caribbean, Haiti, obviously. There are all these places around the world. They have French history, they have French DNA, but also have influenced France. So here we are at a Parisian company, and it's my way to kind of honor some unsung cultures and honor my own at the same time.
And I love that for you coming back to New York City, but you also work with a French chef. So this is truly a comeback for you too.
Jean-Georges made me, I'm from New York, immigrant parents, so it's really good to be back after living on the West Coast for quite some time.
What should I actually order when I get here? What should I try?
My favorite is the grouper on top of a really silky pepper confit. It's super slow cooked, it's super delicate. Dry aged duck, I would say, is definitely our signature dish. It's been cured with cinnamon, star anise, ginger, spices. It's glazed with tamarind and cane syrup, served with pineapple. To serve that in a fine dining setting, it's like a fun take.
Wow, we love it. We're excited to have you. Welcome to the neighborhood, man.